Hi guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing and I'm not going to ramble a lot, but it is something that I kind of wanted for like the last couple of months. So I typically like to treat myself maybe here and there. I'm not consistent with buying especially luxury items because I don't want to seem too wasteful and I don't want a lot of things, but like every couple months I'll go and I'll treat myself to like something nice. So this month I actually went to Hermes. This was actually my first time shopping in this store. The customer service was amazing. The lady was really nice. Well, she waited till I said I'll take it to then offer me like, you know, the drink and all of that stuff. But she was really sweet. And some stores I go into, it doesn't matter what I'm buying or what I'm not buying or if I'm looking, whatever. Some people are kind of standoffish and kind of rude, but this particular store, she was really nice. So kudos to you, Hermes. So yeah, this is a pair of shoes actually, and I wanted them, like I said, for a little bit, but not too long. Instead of buying something frivolous, I'm about to take a trip and I want to just like something cute to wear on my trip. So let's do the unboxing. So it comes in this orange box, and I don't want to say like, oh my gosh, I love the orange box, but I definitely am going to keep this box and keep all my little goodies in this box. I'm like such a keeper of things. But so I'll take the ribbon off. I want to slide it off without undoing it, but I guess I can't. So here we go. Inside the box, oh, it's my shoes, and they come with their own little dust bags per side. And I have the, I think they're Oran, I think that's what they call it, the slipper. I was actually going to get these in black, but when I got there I tried the brown on and I love the way that it blended with my skin tone. I thought about all my bags, and I mainly wear Louis Vuitton and the cognac color, so I was like, this will go better with all my things. And the black ones, it just didn't give me that same feeling, even though initially I saw the black on Pinterest and I said, ooh, those are cute, I want them. And so, but when I went to the store, I tried these on, I really liked it. So I actually got a size up and they fit really well. I'm excited to wear them on my trip. I think they're really simple and cute and not basic but classic. They had different stitching for different I guess the trends or like the seasons, so they had stitching going across, but I like this one a lot better because it's like, you know, you can have these forever, just like everything else I buy that's luxury. That's a luxury item. I like classic things, not really trendy things, because I want to be able to wear it 10 years from now. I want to be able to pass it down and have my daughter wear it if we end up wearing the same size. But yeah, these are the shoes that I got. So when I was trying the shoes on, I need to get my nails done and my toes done. I have an appointment tomorrow. But when I was trying the shoes on, my toes wasn't done, like freshly done. And I was just like, wow, I can't wear these if my toes aren't like done. That looks crazy. But I think it's so cute, the box that it comes in, and then it comes with these really good quality dust bags. It's like its own little bag. It's like a real nice quality. Anyway, so these shoes retail for $6.50. I'm in Hawaii, so I got these shoes for, after taxes it was $6.80 and some change, so let's just say $6.81. So yeah, I thought they were worth it. It's definitely a pair of shoes I'll have for forever. And the way I rationalize it is, I'm a firm believer in, I don't overly shop. I'm not a over consumer. So get what you want instead of just getting something just to have something. Get what you want and let it be what it is. I definitely feel like another option to go is to go on like a consignment shop or a secondhand luxury goods store. Like I saw up here on the Real or something like that. I think, like, you know, when you do something for yourself, you feel that sense of like pride when you wear it, so to speak. So whatever. But yeah, this is the purchase. This is the unboxing. It's not gonna be a long video because it was a real quick purchase and a, you know, simple item. I do want to go over some financial things in another video on how I'm able to afford the things that I buy, what I do, and what's my plans moving forward as far as purchasing big ticket items. So I'll definitely record that one next. I want to end this video on the unboxing. So thank you for watching this one, and bye, you guys.